The salt is a crust on the window pane, and the harbor's drinking the morning rain. We're pulling the nets and we're pulling the line, leaving the shadows and the ghosts behind. The banjo's humming the melody of old, a bob of silver and the cooling of gold. I saw a ship with a mast made of pine, heading for the border and the horizon line. So we're braiding the rope and we're braiding the soul, one-way ticket to the rock and roll. One more knot on the heavy-duty rope, with a heart full of fire and a pocket of hope. And the gallant anchor is sinking tonight, turning the water into columns of light, with the pounding drum and the spirit so free. We're the only ships that the ocean can see. The gallant anchor.